If you have been blocked, ghosted, or completely ignored by your SP, this video is going to completely change that in 24 hours. They will become obsessed with you no matter what has happened. I'm going to show you the exact way for them to be completely obsessed with you, even when right now you have zero contact with them. By the time this video finishes, you will understand why they have no choice but to be completely obsessed with you, chasing you in every moment that they get. I have seen this work again and again. One of my clients affirmed the exact steps that I will be sharing with you right now, and within 3 days, he unblocked her, confessed that he couldn't stop thinking about her, and was pleading to see her as soon as possible. Neville Goddard himself taught why this happens. Reality bends as soon as you assume that it is the truth for you right now. Popular, born to be popular. She ain't that 20 mil, but she run it up. She can never be broke cause she popular. Tell her what came on for the followers. Okay, so this is the exact step-by-step framework. Step number 1, identity lock-in. You must drop the old story. Stop seeing yourself as the ignored, blocked, or rejected version of you. You have to change your reality to be the one who is loved by this person. Remember, it's not what you have, it's who you identify as. All of the successful people in the world know this. Instead, declare, I'm the only one that they crave. I am the only choice. I am the love of their life. Say it with conviction. Step number 2, robotic affirming. Don't overthink this. Set a timer. Repeat it non-stop. No emotion needed, no visualizing perfectly. Robotic affirming works because it drills the idea into your head until it becomes a reality, because it feels natural. Number 3, assume the contact is irrelevant. Here's the paradox. You don't need their text or call to make this happen. You're shifting self, and the 3D must follow the 4D after that fact. That's why, even with no contact, they start obsessing. Step number 4, imply Neville's end scene. State akin to sleep. When you fall asleep, imagine a simple end scene. You're with them, laughing together, doing one of your favorite things together. Maybe you're at a picnic at one of your favorite parks. You hear the beautiful words coming out of their mouth. I could not stop thinking about you. I need to be with you every single day. Keep it short, keep it simple, and fall asleep into that state. Now, I want you to know that you might feel doubt. You might feel like spiraling. That does not matter. Even if you spiral non-stop over and over again, the spiraling, the doubting does not cancel out the law when you are robotically affirming and using SAT every single day. What matters, as I just said, is persistence in assumption. Even Neville said, persistence will outpicture itself in your world. So even if you feel nothing, it's still working as long as you are doing those 2 things, robotic affirming and doing SATs in the evening. I want you to comment the word obsessed to claim your new reality. The faster you stamp it into your subconscious in the way that I just said, the faster they will conform. I will be reading every comment and sending you an energy boost as you affirm it. Remember that they are already obsessed with you. Your only job is to assume it and let the 3D catch up, and watch how fast they chase you. And with that, I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you loved it. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye everyone. Popular, born to be popular.